beautiful. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is your girl Sabina, formerly known as Pat Beauty here on YouTube. Guys, as you know, we are all about fashion, fashion, fashion. So today we have another haul. We have another Walmart haul, guys. I'm bringing you this haul because I want you to know that Walmart is having a sale. So try go online into your local Walmart so you can find something that you like. Before I go through the video, as you know, I said my name is Sabina. I just want to welcome you all. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for your confidence. Thank you for your support. And thank you for subscribing to this space. I hope I continue to bring you contents that you like. So all my OBs, all my love, thank you so much for all the support. All right, guys, it's a quick haul, but Walmart is having a sale. Like I said, when I went in store, I was so surprised for what I got. So I thought I come and share this with you. First, guys, we're going to talk about this dress. 2 Walmart's haul ago, I brought this dress in the denim color. When I found this on sale, I was like, absolutely pick it up because I love the dress and it was on a good sale. Originally, this dress is being sold for $34, but on sale, I believe I paid $16 or $17. So I thought I'd share with you guys before the sale finished. Yes, I did get it for $16.34, and the original price, like I said, is $34. I will show you somewhere in the colorway where you will see how I style this dress. But this dress is versatile. You can wear it on the low, like you can dress it absolutely down, and you can also dress it up. When I started, I think in one of the starting, I just wore like a heels and a bag, and another one I just wore like particularly what I have on right now, my hat, and I absolutely love how it came out. Beautiful dress. It has pockets, 4 pockets. I don't know if this. I think this is just a. Oh, actually, it's a functional pocket up here. It also has 2 functional pockets on the side. It comes with a belt that you can cinch your waist to make it small. Unfortunately for me, this dress, I'm still going to keep it. I thought I got it in a small, but it's the extra small. So the arm for me feels a little bit tight, but other than that, it's okay. I'm definitely going to keep it. I just love that it also have like this white trim on the dress. Well made. This is a cotton blend, I believe, for this dress. We're going to go into the next one. I know we are not to winter or fall yet, but y'all, there was no way I was passing this by, and I started for you guys. I absolutely love how I started. This is a trench coat. I'm going to go back online as I'm speaking to you guys to see if they have any other trench coat on sale. This trench coat is from Free Assembly, so is this dress from Free Assembly as well. This trench coat, y'all, this originally was being sold for, if I'm not making a mistake, probably $40, and I got this for on sale for $12. $12. I got it in the size small because I absolutely believe that was the only other size. But like I said, Walmart do runs a little bit big for me, so I can get away with an extra small and a small with Walmart, but I am a true medium. Going back to this, I mean, this is well made. If you see the sleeve, and it's not short, it actually hits me down over here. It had like the double bracelet collar. It comes with black a button. It also have like the waist belt that you can tie cinch it in and just make it like absolutely beautiful. This is about below your knee, just a little bit. It's not a trench all the way down to the floor. It's below your knee trench, but I absolutely love it. For $12, count me in. There's no way I was not getting this. Really beautiful. When I started 2 ways. The first time I started, I just started as a dress, like if I'm just going to wear it with a dress. And the second time I started, I think I did it with a flukes leather skirt, like a long skirt down to the floor. and I just start it like with a little tank top, and I absolutely love how both of them came out. Beautiful. Next is this two-piece. I start together, but I will talk about let's talk about the skirt. So this is also a free assembly. Almost everything I got was free assembly. I love free assembly and scoop. That's the only two pieces I absolutely will buy. So this is a free assembly skirt. It's almost the same material as the dress that I have on, but this is a mini skirt. It comes with a belt to cinch the waist as well. They also have this in the denim color. It comes with a hidden zipper. So the zipper is hidden, and also have a button right here. Like I said, you can cinch the waist just like the dress, and it also have like the stitching, like the white stitching all on the belt, makes it absolutely like it's a tailor piece. And I got this in the size small, and I love how it fits. The size medium would have fit, but it probably would have been a little bit too loose, so the size small is perfect. Absolutely love it. I got this skirt for 11.05, and I think when you buy online the prices is not being shown on here, but I think if I remember, this is either 22 or $25 for the skirt, and I absolutely love it. I pair it together with this free assembly top. I remember in the past I bought this top. I bought it in the size medium. I didn't like how it fit, and I returned it, and it was for $24. But when I saw this online, guys, you would not, absolutely not believe how much this was for. But before we talk about the price, I also got it in the size small and love the fit of the size small. It have the green denim on the sleeve. It have a little bit of white, so it's just a contrast of color. And then in the middle you have like a scrap blue and white, and then you have a white collar. It's kind of button all the way down. It's a button down shirt, so you can wear this. I mean, it's versatile as well. Same with the skirt. You can pair the skirt together with another top. I would do that skirt with a white v-neck top, and I will probably put like a denim jacket over it, and I can put like a little denim blue and white sneakers. I have those, and crossbody bag with my hat. That would be absolutely a piece. Or I can just wear with a plain white shirt and put like a white slippers on there, and just wear it with another bag, and that's another lower down. But when I start this, I think I started on the one way for you guys. I paired the two together, maybe two ways. I think I started two ways, but a similar styling. I didn't go too crazy with it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This shirt, like I said, guys, you will not believe I got this shirt for $2.49 on sale for $2.49, and this pairs so well together. If you don't have this, if you can find the green top, if you can find the blue denim, it also will go together with this skirt, the short. Okay, guys, so next in this haul is this dress. This I actually got from in-store. In store it said $34, and I picked it up to pay the $34. But when I went to the cashier, it scanned for $13. So yes, you might not know what is on sale. So just go in there and see. But it's this gorgeous black dress, and this dress is from the Scoop brand. I got it in a size small. It fits too neat. So with this one, I would say probably stick with your actual size. I did not see a medium. I saw a small, and I said I will pick it because I like it. So the dress have a peekaboo on the side, both sides, and it also have a little bit of peekaboo hole right by the belly button. It have a little bit of a puff sleeve. It's not exaggerated, but it is there. And in the back of the dress you have a zipped down, and it just flares a little bit to the bottom. As always, Walmart did not disappoint. It have pockets. The dress have pockets. And I love that for me because I love dresses that have pocket. I love anything with pocket, and that's why I keep going back to Walmart, because they understand the assignment, the clothes is reasonable, and they understand what women want, and they are doing this. So kudos to them. A lot of designer brands we buy, I mean, pay the money and still don't get the quality. So for $13, I got a beautiful outing black dress that have pockets, and I can wear this up, I can wear this down. If I don't if I'm not mistaken, I may have started this versatile as well, like maybe two different ways. I'm not sure. But if not, either way, you can dress this up, you can dress this down. You can just wear this casually, put on maybe like a black sandal with maybe a gold or silver buckle, and you can just use like a black crossbody bag, or you can dress this up like seriously with red. You can dress it up with yellow, you can dress it up with green. Another way I who have dressed this dress is maybe wear a red shoes and a yellow purse. Oh my god. And put like something silver with it, or I can wear with red and green. I'm telling you, it will pop, the color will pop. So you can color block this as well. This dress, like I told you, I think I already told you $34, but I paid $13 and change for this dress. Last two that I paired together is this two. Both of them was actually on the original price, but fine by me. This I already took out the tab because I want to keep it. I don't want to think about it. It's a Barbie top. So another way to kind of like make your summer fun is you want graphic tees. Graphic tees can just kind of elevate your outfit. So I got me this Barbie top. I got it in the size large, so it fits. I like how it fits. You can see the Barbie up front, and good quality. I'm not sure if it's cotton because I already so it's 40% polyester, um and it feels good, really good. And this top was $8 and maybe 95 cents, so almost $9 for this top. And I also got this jeans from the Sofia brand. It's flare leg. I don't know if I have a flare leg. I do have a lot of wide leg jeans, but I don't think I have anything flare. Neither do I think I have anything in this color. So this would just be one of those days when the people like, hey, dress like in the 80s. This is like the 80 vibes. Then I know I absolutely have my 80 vibes that I would go with. So when I saw this, I like it. Sofia Vergara a lot. I have worn her extra small. It fit. This is a size 8, and I was happy because I am comfortable in a size 8. It fits a little bit small, but I'm telling you, it's you will see it. You won't even know that the waist is a little bit big for me, but I absolutely love it. I got this on the original price, which is $24.50. So I think for $24.50 it is not bad. It's kind of skinny and then flat in the bottom. So that's it for the clothes. And the last item I got in this haul, I'm wearing it, almost forgot, but I thought I'd bring it out, guys. If you get nothing in this, go and look for this. I'm actually going back to the store to get the black one. It's this shoes by No Boundary for Walmart. Guys, look at the shoes. I love, I mean, even if this is Flukes leather, it feels like a real leather. I love it. Have the gold buckle, and look at the detail here. It was being sold for $22. It is on sale for $8. That is why I'm going back to get the black one. And I love how it fits on. It's not flat. It kind of elevates you a little bit. Absolutely love this. If you have nothing in this haul, do not let this pass you by. Like I said, it was in store on sale for $8. I did not know it was on sale for $8. It said $22.98, and I was prepared to pay the $22.98, but when I went to pay for it, it was $8. So I am going to go and get me the black one. I think the last black one I saw was in size 9. This is 9.5 and it feels a little bit big, so I think I can get away with the 9 as well. All right, guys, this brings us to the end of this haul. Hope you like what you see, and also try to get to your local Walmart and get you something. I will go over my size reference. Like I told you, I'm an actual size medium, and my waist is size 29. For a good fit, I have to have 29. I can get away with a 30 and a 31. Usually, if I want the pants to be slouchy and loose, I can do a 30 or a 31, but it will be big on me. Um, for my bust, I believe my bust is around 38, 36 to 38. From my waist down to my foot, if I want it to be extra long, I will go for a 42. And I think from up here down here should be around 48 to 47. But I am a true size medium. So if you're kind of worrying about what it is, and my weight is between 150 to 155. And I am 5'5". I will go with what the doctor tells me that I'm 5'5". I would say I'm 5'5". I think I'm 5'6", but I would take 5'5". All right, guys, this brings us to the end again. I'm so sorry for talking a little bit too much, but remember to love yourself and share the love with others. And also, please don't forget to share the video, give it a thumb up, and also subscribe. Please subscribe, and subscribe. I'm hungry. That's why I'm talking over my head. I will see you in the next one. Love. Bye.